Modern warfare is undergoing a profound transformation. The 21st century battlefield is increasingly defined by technology. Unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones, have emerged as critical assets in this new era. Drones offer unparalleled situational awareness, precision strike capabilities, and force multiplication. Their versatility makes them indispensable tools for a wide range of military operations. India, with its complex security challenges, has been at the forefront of adopting and integrating UAV technology. The Indian Armed Forces have recognized the strategic importance of drones in modern warfare. They have made significant strides in developing indigenous UAV capabilities. Among these, the Skystriker UAV stands out as a testament to India's growing prowess in drone technology. The Skystriker is a force multiplier for the Indian military. It enhances operational effectiveness across a wide range of missions. This essay delves into the key features, capabilities, and operational significance of the Skystriker UAV. It also examines its integration into the Indian Armed Forces. The Skystriker is more than just a drone. It represents India's commitment to staying ahead in the rapidly evolving landscape of modern warfare. This essay will analyze why the Skystriker UAV, developed by Israel Aerospace Industries, is a state-of-the-art tactical drone. It has been specifically tailored to meet the demanding requirements of modern warfare. Its design reflects a deep understanding of operational needs. This makes it a highly effective tool in the hands of the Indian Armed Forces. This cutting-edge drone boasts impressive technical specifications. It has a wingspan of approximately 8 meters and a maximum takeoff weight of around 400 kilograms. The Skystriker is powered by a highly efficient engine, allowing it to achieve a top speed of over 200 kilometers per hour. Its operational altitude exceeds 20,000 feet, enabling it to operate discreetly and effectively in a variety of challenging environments. One of the most notable features of the Skystriker is its exceptional endurance. It can remain airborne for over 7 hours, providing persistent surveillance and strike capabilities. This extended flight time makes it an invaluable asset for intelligence gathering, target tracking, and precision strikes. The Skystriker UAV represents a significant leap forward in drone technology. Its combination of speed, endurance, and operational altitude makes it a game changer on the modern battlefield. The true versatility of the Skystriker UAV lies in its impressive array of payload options. These payloads transform the drone into a multi-mission platform capable of adapting to diverse operational scenarios. The Skystriker is much more than just a reconnaissance platform. It can be configured for a variety of missions. At the heart of its intelligence-gathering capabilities are advanced electro-optical infrared sensors. These sensors provide high-resolution imagery and video, both during the day and at night. This real-time situational awareness is critical for target identification, tracking, and damage assessment. Beyond surveillance, the Skystriker can also be equipped with a communications relay system. This allows it to act as a critical communication node, extending the range of communication networks and ensuring seamless connectivity in challenging environments. For situations requiring offensive action, the Skystriker can be armed with a range of selectable warheads. These warheads provide precision strike capability, minimizing collateral damage and maximizing operational effectiveness. The ability to choose the appropriate warhead for a specific mission underscores the Skystriker's adaptability and precision in combat operations. The Skystriker UAV's payload flexibility makes it a true force multiplier. It is capable of seamlessly transitioning between reconnaissance, surveillance, communication relay, and strike roles. The Skystriker UAV is integrated into the Indian Army, Navy, and Air Force. Its versatility makes it invaluable across many scenarios. For the Army, it's a force multiplier in border surveillance and counterinsurgency. It provides real-time intelligence, enhancing situational awareness. The Navy uses it for maritime surveillance and reconnaissance. Its advanced sensors monitor suspicious activities and provide early warnings. The Air Force benefits from its target acquisition and strike capabilities. The Skystriker's integration underscores its effectiveness as a force multiplier.